Good morning, all of you. Now, today, in continuation with the same topic, the future tenses, we will continue. Yes, good morning, all of you. Now, yesterday we have seen that the future tenses are classified as simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous tenses. And yesterday we had a look at the simple present tense, and the future continuous tense, and we also had a look at their usage. Now, today we will continue with the future perfect tense. Okay, now let's see where is the future perfect tense used. So, it is used to talk about a completed action, an action that has been completed, and that will be completed before a given time in the future. So what that means is that when we are talking about a future, so a particular action that will be completed. So we talk about a completed action. Completed, obviously that means it has been completed before a certain time in the future. So when we are talking about maybe next week, that see example, the boys will have returned from college by 5 o'clock. So we are talking about future time, that is by 5 o'clock a particular action would have been completed. And what is that action that would have been completed? That the boys would have returned from college. So future perfect tense is used for actions which will be completed before a certain time in the future. Then the future perfect continuous tense, it is used to talk about a particular action that will begin in the future. Alright, so an action that will begin in future but at a specific time in the future, and at that particular time in future it will be continued, and even in the moment in the future it will be in continuation, it will not end. So future perfect continuous is used to talk about an action that will begin at a particular time, a specific time in the future. That action will be continuing till the time when we speak of it in the future, and it will be continuing at the point of speaking also. See, for example, by 2019 Sunil will have been staying in Sweden for 10 years. A specific time in future, that is by 2019 Sunil will have been staying means continuing till that time, and at the time of speaking also he will be staying in Sweden only. So by 2019 Sunil will have been studying in Sweden for 10 years. So this is the usage of future perfect continuous tense. Now let's move on to exercise D. And for this you'll be requiring a copy to write, because you have to change all these sentences into future perfect tense and future perfect continuous tense. And that means here you will not be able to write, because for each of these given sentences you will have to write 2 more sentences. So it will be better if you all have a copy with you, rough copy, or even fair English language copy will also do. Ready, all of you? Yes? Okay. Class 7th, are you all ready? Boys also? What about Anubhav? Are you ready with a pen and a copy? Or you are no longer here? Anubhav? Alright, let's continue. First is, I will wait for you. So the future perfect for this will be I. Yes, tell. No beta, not waiting, future perfect. You have to use have. I will have waited for you. I will have waited for you. And the future perfect continuous for this will be I will have been waiting for you. I will have been waiting for you. I will have been waiting for you. Okay. Second one. Shikha will meet you at the mall. Will have met you at the mall. But you know, if you see in this exercise, they have written use time expressions where necessary. So for this, yes beta. So for this particular sentence, we will add time expressions also. We could write any time here. So we could write that Shikha will have met you. Shikha will have met you at the mall by 7 p.m. tomorrow. By 7 p.m. tomorrow. And for the future perfect continuous, you can write Shikha will have been meeting you. Shikha will have been.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
Maybe beta some
It's clear.
maybe some network problem at your place. Is it better now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Shikha will have been meeting you at the mall. Shikha will have been meeting you at the mall. Full stop. Written all of you? Okay, third one. Mother will cook dinner for us. So the future perfect for this would be mother will have cooked dinner. Mother will have cooked dinner for us by 8 o'clock. Mother will have cooked dinner for us by 8 o'clock. And the future perfect continuous for this would be mother will have been cooking dinner for us. Mother will have been cooking dinner for us. Okay, next fourth is the children will be playing. Okay, so the future perfect will be the children will have played. The children will have played by 5 o'clock tomorrow evening. The children will have played by 5 o'clock tomorrow evening. And the future perfect continuous, the children will have been playing. The children will have been playing. The children will have been playing. Anubhav, are you writing? Anubhav?
Yes, ma'am.
And where have you been? You left the class to go where?
Ma'am, someone called us.
Alright, are you writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fifth one. She will be writing an essay. For this, the future perfect will be she will have written. She will have written an essay. She will have written an essay by tomorrow morning. She will have written an essay by tomorrow morning. And the future perfect continuous will be she will have been writing an essay. She will have been writing an essay. She will have been writing an essay. Next, he will help you. Write down, he will have helped you. He will have helped you. He will have helped you. And the future yes beta.
Ma'am, the sixth.
Okay, I'm sorry, let's do this, then I will tell you that. Write the seventh one first. He will have helped you, and the future perfect continuous will be he will have been helping you. He will have been helping you. He will have been helping you. Written? Okay, sixth one. Tanya will be working on her assignment. So the future perfect will be Tanya will have worked. Tanya will have worked on her assignment. Tanya will have worked on her assignment by 9 o'clock. By 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. By 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. Tanya will have worked on her assignment by 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. Full stop. And the future perfect continuous, Tanya will have been working on her assignment. Tanya will have been working on her assignment. Okay, number 8. The train will leave. Okay, write down. The train will have left. The train will have left. And for the future perfect continuous, the train will have been leaving. The train will have been leaving. Better, some of you have your mics open. Please mute them. And if in case you don't understand, then you can unmute and ask. Okay, number 9. I will learn a new language. I will have learnt. I will have learnt a new language. I will have learnt a new language. I will have learnt a new language. And future perfect continuous, I will have been. I will have been learning a new language. I will have been learning a new language. Number 10. I won't visit the zoo when I go to London. I won't have visited. I won't have visited the zoo when I go to London. I won't have visited the zoo when I go to London. And the future perfect continuous? I won't have been. I won't have been visiting the zoo. I won't have been visiting the zoo when I go to London. I won't have been visiting the zoo when I go to London. Written? Okay, next. We will complete the course. We will have completed the course. We will have completed the course. We will have completed the course. And the future perfect continuous? We will have been. We will have been completing the course. We will have been completing the course. We will have been completing the course. Full stop. Number 12. She will leave. For this, the future perfect, she will have left. She will have left. And for the future perfect continuous, she will have been leaving. She will have been leaving. She will have been leaving. Next, 13th. Will you go to the party? The future perfect will be, will you have gone? Will you have gone to the party? Will you have gone to the party? Put a question mark. Will you have gone to the party? And the future perfect continuous will be, will you have been going to the party? Will you have been going to the party? Question mark. Will you have been going to the party? Written? Okay, number 14. Will Jisha finish Gone with the Wind over the summer? Will Jisha have finished? Will Jisha, capital, so write J with a capital letter. Will Jisha have finished Gone with the Wind? Name of a book. So G will be capital and W will be capital. Gone, G will be capital, with the wind. W will be capital of wind. Gone with the Wind over the summer. Will Jisha have finished Gone with the Wind over the summer? Put a question mark. It is an interrogative sentence. And the future perfect continuous would be, will Jisha have been finishing? Will Jisha have been finishing Gone with the Wind? Will Jisha have been finishing Gone with the Wind over the summer? Will Jisha have been finishing Gone with the Wind over the summer? Put a question mark. Okay, and the last one here, she will pass the exam. The future perfect will be, she will have passed the exam. She will have passed the exam. And the future perfect continuous will be, she will have been passing the exam. She will have been passing the exam. Done? Okay, now turn the page. Let's do the next exercise. Exercise E. Use the future perfect or the future perfect continuous form of the verbs given in the brackets to complete these sentences. So we have to fill these sentences either with the future perfect or the future perfect continuous forms. Verbs are already given in the brackets. The actors dash the scene 5 times by 8 o'clock. The actors, right, will have rehearsed. Will have rehearsed. 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 Will have rehearsed. Second, they dash the children amused for 2 hours by noon. Will have kept. They will have kept. They will have kept the children amused for 2 hours by noon. Third, she dash here for 8 hours by 10 p.m. Right. She will have been working. She will have been working. Will have been working. Fourth, they dash to find the lost ring for 3 hours by lunchtime. Will have attempted. They will have attempted. Okay, number 5. The sales team dash the entire state by the end of this month. Will have visited. The sales team will have visited. Will have visited. Number 6. He dashed the shop for 10 years by the end of January next year. Will have been running. Right, very good. He will have been running. Will have been running. Number 7. Firefighters dash to control the fire for 6 hours by 5 p.m. Will have been trying. Will have been trying. Firefighters will have been trying. Number 8. The detectives dash evidence for 6 months by the end of 2018. Will have been gathering. The detectives will have been gathering. Will have been gathering. Number 9. She dash holidays for 2 weeks by next Sunday. Will have been. She will have been enjoying. She will have been enjoying. She will have been enjoying holidays for 2 weeks by next Sunday. Number 10. He dash all the floors by 10 o'clock. Will have mopped. He will have mopped. So for completed actions, we use the future perfect tense. Then number 11. Don't call me at 10 o'clock. I dash to New York. Is the action complete? Will have been flying. I will have been flying. Will have been flying. Next. You can come to see me at 3 o'clock. I dash my lunch by then. Good. Will have eaten. Action would be complete by then. Will have eaten. Number 13. Do you think dash snow dash in the mountains? Do you think dash in the mountains? Will have snowed. snowed. Will have snowed. Number 14. By this time next week, the workers dash the house for 6 months. Will have been building. Right. Will have been building. By this time next week, the workers will have been building the house for 6 months. Number 15. By December 2019, my brother dash in that office for 5 years. Will have been working. Will have been working, because the action continued to that particular time, and at the time of speaking also it was in continuation. Okay. And number 16. She dashed for us for a couple of hours by the time we arrive. Will have been waiting. Good. Will have been waiting. She will have been waiting for us for a couple of hours by the time we arrive. So with that, we complete this chapter. Have you missed anything, anyone?
Mom, E10.
E10. It is will have mobbed. Will have mobbed.
Mom, E12.
E12 is will have eaten. Will have eaten.
Ma'am, E6.
E6 is will have been running. Will have been running.
Ma'am, D14.
D, both future perfect and future perfect continuous.
Ma'am, only future perfect.
Okay, will Jisha have finished? Will Jisha have finished? Gone with the wind. Will Jisha have finished? Gone with the wind over the summer. Will Jisha have finished? Gone with the wind over the summer? Question mark.
Ma'am,
D15.
D15.
D or E?
D. Ma'am, D15.
Okay, both the sides? Both sentences?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so the future perfect is she will have passed the exam. She will have passed the exam. She will have passed the exam.
First one.
And the future perfect continuous will be she will have been passing the exam. She will have been passing the exam. D1 is I will have waited for you. I will have waited for you. And the future perfect continuous for this will be I will have been waiting for you. I will have been waiting for you. Is that all?
Yes,
Oh,
ma'am.
okay.